How to turn off background location tracking. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can turn off background location tracking. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Without any further ado, let's jump right into it. To turn off background location tracking, adjust your phone's system settings to limit or disable location services globally. So to do it globally, first you will need to locate your settings. So locate the settings app and then open it up. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find security and privacy. So inside security and privacy, you'll find the location services. If you don't find it here, it can be on the settings itself, like it's on mine. So basically head over to location, and after you're there, simply toggle it off. After you've toggled it off, confirm it. And after you've toggled it off, you are basically good to go. Now no apps will be able to use your location. Now that's for entire device. Now if we'll go to per app controls, so if I enable it, you'll find all the apps. Tap on see all apps to find the app that is using your location. Go over to an app and you can simply select don't allow. After you've done that, now your specific app will not be able to use location services, and it's that simple. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.